Hey Patty fam!
Hey Patty fam!
We're doing Queen Naija's birthday party by Aisha Everything. Let's get into it.
Big what's up?
Alright guys, so I know y'all are wondering, what is she doing? Why is she getting her makeup done? So your girl got invited to the one and only Queen Naija. Yes, I said Queen. I'm going to my 25th birthday tonight, courtesy of my bestest, dearest, closest friend, Iman Gabrielle. Yes, y'all make sure y'all follow her on Instagram. She does Queen Naija's nails. And you know, when you got friends in high places, that's just what be happening sometimes. So without further ado, I'm getting my makeup done. I will follow up with y'all and show y'all what I'll be wearing tonight, so y'all can just have a little, you know, peek of what I'm doing. And I'm so excited. This is so exciting.
Yay! Well, thanks for sharing.
All right, guys. So
Okay, Aisha.
finish look.
Alright,
Y'all
Aisha.
already know what earrings are from. They are from Ear Candy Collection, but I just want y'all to see this makeup though.
Okay,
Y'all know I had
girl.
my makeup professionally done in like 4 or 5 years. Like that was like the last time. And I'm gonna be honest, I had stopped because they was making me look real chiseled chin, and I was just straight on that look. I was not with that. That contour was crazy. But when I tell y'all, my girl, it's artistry defined one, right? Artistry, if you in Atlanta, artistry defined one. That is who did my makeup. And when I tell y'all, I'm in love. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I was scared at first. Cause like I said, it's been 5 years, but y'all, I love my makeup.
She did her thing.
Yeah,
She
you
did what
was
she was
nice,
supposed to
girl.
do.
Where sis? This is my outfit. And,
Okay.
I'm wearing my Jordans, the little blue and the white that my man got me.
Okay. Thank you, man.
I like your braids.
I like her braids too.
Queen, we coming, girl. We on the way. So I will see y'all. Probably next time I see y'all, I'll be at the party. So
Ow.
stay tuned for that. Y'all let me know in the comments if y'all like my makeup. Should I get my
We
makeup
like your
done
makeup,
while
girl.
You do.
Y'all let me know in the comments. All right, see y'all.
We in the party, y'all.
Yeah, we in there.
Oh, it's a nice decor.
Oh, the New York thing.
Ow. Okay, picture queen.
I like those balloons up
Me
there.
too. What is that? Mac and cheese?
Been whipping it up.
What is that? Chicken wing? I can't see y'all.
It look like shrimp or some kind
Oh,
of seafood.
okay. Let me find out they had some seafood. F-fouté. What do you call it?
Yeah,
Etouffee.
too
Uh-oh, sliders. I hope Queen was able to eat what she wanted on her
Yeah.
birthday.
Yeah, you should have a day off for your birthday.
Right. Okay,
Uh-oh.
chef getting it.
I see. Go sprinkle it on there.
Ow.
Sound the real deal. Ain't I'm a dance for y'all. What's up? Dancing with us like we at the party.
Right. Hey, go chef.
Go,
Go
chef.
chef. Go chef. Look at the dance floor.
Yep.
With that security.
I think they trying to pose as a separate repeater. Maybe they security.
Oh.
He right there over there by the DJ station. Look Like a hard, straight rough.
Okay, get it.
I see the fringes. Okay.
Comment below if you had a pouch drink before.
Oh yeah, those are good.
Oh, birthday girl.
I like your dress.
Oh,
queen.
don't burn them up.
Yeah, wash the hair.
Oh, that's what happened to Michael Jackson.
Yeah,
Don't do that.
yeah.
Don't do her like that. Oh, I like that picture.
Dance for a fool. Go ahead, girl.
Yeah, her nails on point because her friend do nails.
Right. Oh, girl. I need a friend like that.
Okay.
Ain't gonna take you somewhere. That's a
Right.
good friend.
Really. Uh-oh, that's Young Barbecue. BBQ. Y'all get
All
it,
right,
quick.
queen. Uh-oh.
Oh, BBQ.
Uh-oh. Hey.
They got a dance song. Oh, they got a routine.
All right, I see you.
We've been doing it the whole
Right.
party. You ain't gotta teach her how to do that. Oh, family picture.
Haley.
Lee, Mike, Kalea. Uh-oh. The process of picture taking.
Right. She's sweet for showing everybody up.
Right, I think that's her friend that did the nails.
Y'all have fun.
I know. Uh-oh, the bull. Oh, what's another part? That's cute. Oh, we back in the kitchen now. She's showing us the whole party.
Got the behind the scenes.
Okay. Oh, chicken and waffles, sliders.
All right, y'all. So I'm here with the one.
Kalea.
Hey, Claire.
I appreciate him. That was so nice of him. I just had to say thank you so much. Y'all have a good night. So y'all heard it right there. Let me tell you something. I networked with so many people tonight. I'm so appreciative of my friend Iman.
Yeah.
Yay, girl.
You be her plus one. Look, you can't be afraid to, you know, just what's for you is for you. I be telling
That's
y'all that.
talent.
true.
That's
It's
the
so
truth.
true. And I had an amazing time, y'all. I am a little bit tipsy, so I know y'all kind of like, what's going on? But
We can't tell, girl.
No, we
yeah,
can't.
on to the next midnight. We're out. We're out of here. Yeah. I have to pee so bad. When I tell y'all, next level. I have
Oh,
to use the
dang.
So
bathroom.
thing.
We all
Okay,
been there,
yeah,
girl.
so, y'all,
You don't find out till you walk down the stairs and
Right.
leave.
I think the chef, let me make sure.
She shouting everybody out.
Chef Tony,
All right, Chef Tony.
shrimp and grits.
Ow.
The dancing chef.
Oh, that was probably what that
Oh,
was.
yeah.
Shrimp and grits.
Shrimp and grits tasting like some. I'm just here to let y'all know right now. Shrimp and grits, like,
She had to take it to go.
it just, yeah, it's just, I'm saving all my shrimps for last. I'm just eating them grits right now, but I'm gonna shrimp and grits. Let me tell y'all something. Chef Tony, you did that. Hey guys, so I hope that you all enjoyed this vlog because
We
I
did, girl.
This is just, out of my comfort zone. I never thought that I would be much of a vlogger, but I mean, I kind of enjoy
You
showing y'all a
vlogging.
little bit
You
behind
doing
the
well. If this is your
scenes of
first
things.
couple
Right.
times.
And
You got the
tonight
music and
was
everything.
just very special. Queen, thank you so much. I had a great time at your party. Everything. Let me let y'all know right now because I know y'all are wondering. Our faves are everything we think they are. And what I mean by
Oh,
that
that's
is, like,
nice you said that.
social media can make us be so uncertain of a person's character, their integrity, their moral values. And I put this on everything when I say this. Queen is perfect. Like, she's a sweetheart. She is so sweet and just humble. And it's refreshing to meet people and they confirm what you think of them in a positive way. If that makes
That's
sense.
wonderful.
great.
Clarence, I appreciate you also for, shouting me out on my YouTube channel. I definitely appreciate the both of you so much. Party was just a vibe. So much copyright, so I'm not gonna put too much in there. So as y'all probably will see in the earlier clips, y'all gonna be like, what? But it's all
You
good.
did
Y'all
good.
know
You
really
how
did
YouTube
good.
is,
The editing and
At
everything.
the end of the day, I need all the proceeds need to come to me.
All my
So,
coins.
again,
Watch your
thank you so
ads.
much
Watch
Right.
our
for
ads.
me.
Yes.
Hope y'all enjoy this vlog, and it's like I keep
And we
wanting
watched
to
all your
say
ads,
I
Asha.
really don't
Yeah,
want
we
to tell
did.
y'all bye. I really want to talk to y'all some more because I just had such a bomb night. Like, I'm just like, you know what I'm finna do? I'm finna take this makeup off and I'm finna go and watch The 100 on Netflix. Like, I'm obsessed with that show right now, y'all, and that's probably what I'm about to do. But yeah, so let me just stop rambling. Love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog.
We
Let me know
enjoyed
in
it,
the comments.
girl.
Make sure you wish my girl Queen a happy 25th
Yay.
birthday.
Happy birthday,
Sis is
Queen.
looking good,
Birthday.
okay? And yeah.
Buy her album.
Next vlog.
Like, comment,
Subscribe,
subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad. Oh, she got a picture.
Go ahead, girl.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.